Right now, Harris County Sheriff deputies, DPS, HPD, and even more agencies are undercover looking for illegal street racers in different parts of the county.
Over 40 of those street racers were arrested, but hundreds of others continued to terrorize the Texas streets, and we captured it all on film. To bring you the only street racing movie of its kind.
What's the fucking setup on this thing? Obviously you got a big servo on there.
Well, this is not an original motor because this chassis never came with this motor. It only comes with a single throttle body, which is VQ35DE. So we put a newer one, which is the VQ35HR. It's a steel 3.5 liter. This thing's about 30 pounds right now. We tried at 38, and it's almost to 1,000 wheel. Yeah, we're locking the race with the R35 right now.
Oh, no kidding?
Yeah, we just did. So we're trying to see when the cops gone and shit, you know, we're gonna do a real quick roll. From the 6-year-old, let's see how much this thing gonna pull away from the GTR. When they see it's a piece of shit car straight from junkyard, they start pulling away like, oh shit, man, that shit moves.
Do you know where you guys are up to? Exactly. Dude, I didn't know this was for money. That's nuts.
Well, they were trying to run me for $1,000, and I'm like, why?
Good thing they fucking did.
He's like, well, we need to pay for the trailer bros.
Ready to go to Hobby Lobby? Yeah. That thing goes.
Sure, man.